see orange, that's good.
See him up there.
That's what I said. Let him through, please. He's girls.
He and Philip are close together.
Okay, I'm gonna try to. I'm up on a
Gotta catch that kid in red.
And once again, we'd like to thank the Hoover Drumline for their entertainment.
Yeah, I'll do it. Let's see.
So give them a nice hand. We appreciate them being out here this morning and this afternoon.
Go, Jacob!
Come on, Jacob! I'm guessing that's Jacob Ogden.
Oh, he's number 2 right now.
He's number 2. Let's see. Oh, wow.
Go, Jake!
Selinsky is in the USATF.
Let's go, Jacob!
Woohoo!
Pick up some of their great items that they have on sale.
7.
Go, Jacob!
T-shirts by Northwest Designs, the official T-shirts for the 2010 Junior Olympic Cross Country.
See the other boys?
Championship. Tremendous Christmas present, and our sound guy
Go, David!
wears a double X.
See David right there? I don't see Nick.
Let's go in the only entrance to check in for youth pool.
Did you see him?
Move it.
Oh, I see him.
We have all that dust. It's okay.
Yeah, best I can tell.